How to delete archive chats on Facebook Messenger. Just you have to open the Messenger app in your Android. Now click on the Messenger. That phone will be appeared in front of you. We are going to delete the archive chat in Facebook Messenger. Click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on the this option archive. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see this chat is being archived. Just you have to push on the chat and click on the delete. In this way, that archive chat will be deleted in your Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.